Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of adjusting your Bluesky account settings to prevent your profile and posts from being visible to users who are not logged in. This step enhances your privacy. First, open the Bluesky app on your phone. Next, look at the top left and tap on the three dots icon. Then from this menu, select the option called Settings. Then, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Within this section, locate the Logged Out Visibility option. Toggle this setting to On to discourage apps from displaying your account to logged out users. By enabling this setting, you take a proactive step in controlling your content's visibility. Remember, for enhanced privacy, consider making your profile private. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.